What's up YouTube? My name is Jacques Wessels and a super welcome to Webnomads. So today I'm going to show you how you can create a beautiful, very creative, very detailed, product landing page which you can share with the world. If that is something you're interested in, stay tuned. Alright guys, before we jump into this channel, I quickly want to bring your attention to Episodic. You can get private medical cover from 165 Rand per month. That is absolutely insane. So as you all know, that any medical cover in South Africa can be extremely expensive, and not every single one of us can afford to pay those medical covers each and every month. But with Episodic you save a ton of money, and it is perfect for anyone on a tight budget. So I'm just going to scroll down here for a second so you can see some of the benefits. The day-to-day starts at 397. You get all these benefits. I'm talking about unlimited doctor visits. I'm talking optometry specialists, a nationwide network. Not even to mention the accidents starting the accident cover starting at 165 Rand per month. You get access to private hospitals, which is extremely important. 24/7 emergency services, after hours, and the list goes on. So we also have a very nice hospital plan here for starting at 226 per month, and it includes all accident benefits, optional ICU cover, once again access to the private hospitals. You guys can just come over here to Episodic and run through all of these and look for yourself. But the most important part is just to scroll down to this blue section here and just complete this contact form and submit it. A broker will get back to you and you guys can discuss the perfect plan for your budget. How cool and perfect is that, to make sure that yourself and your loved ones will be taken care of, or will be in good hands. So all you need to do is to get to this page here, the special page here, is to go down in the description, click the first link, it will take you directly to Episodic. So guys, be safe and take care. So let's move on and go back to the video. So let's start the video here. So if you go to Paystack.com, I will also leave a link in the description. You can just come to this page right here. All you need to do is create a free account. The page will load an onboarding page for you, right? So I'm not going to fill in this whole form here and everything else, just to save time for you and I. So what you can do is just add all the details here. It's very straightforward. Choose what business do you own and if you're software or not, and so on and so on and so on. And once you're done submitting all the forms and completed all this contact forms, you will basically end up in your dashboard with a big green icons right here on the right saying that you are 100% a go and you can start using your Paystack account. So you can see mine is live here. And this is the dashboard. I'm not going to run through all of these. The point of this video is to show you how you can actually create a product page and how to get it live, up and running. So what you see, what I did here, I just clicked on product here and I want to go ahead and say new product. So my product is organic beard oil. Organic beard oil, and I also have a description here ready for this. Quickly want to copy this, and then I want to, so basically this description here is what you're going to write about your product. You can maybe can add the ingredients to it and how to use it and all that kind of stuff. Over here you can add your price of your product. I want it to be 100 Rand and I only have a limited few of around 13. I don't know why, but let's leave it at 13. So next, you'll see we can add some media here. So make sure your media that you upload your photos is 500 by 500 pixels, and that works kind of the best. I found out, you know, by messing around with all these settings. So now I've uploaded all my media. So now I can drag the ones that is important to me, the ones that needs to be shown first. And I want to use this one here. This one must be second. And I want to delete this one. I don't need this one. I also don't need this one. And then I can add a video. A video also 500 by 500. And once it's uploaded, I can just drag it here. So now you can see my main photo, what the ingredients, how to use it, the video of a guy using it, and what the guy is going to look like afterwards. So click on save. Now we get to this page right here. So now you can see this little bucket, paint bucket here, and you can choose your color that you want, whatever the case may be. I'm going to go ahead and stick with something a bit more natural. Definitely not that shocking green. Maybe something like this. And then I can go ahead and look at my description. Now you've noticed everything here, all the text here is not so lucky anymore. So what we need, we can just click on the text here. It will open up the content or the text editor, and you can just go ahead and put in some spaces. I'm just going to go quickly through this. Okay, and once that is done, I can go ahead and look at my URL here. So as you can see is organic beard oil. So that's actually what I insert, at the beginning as my title, and it also made it my URL, but it also added this weird text on the end. I can just go ahead and erase that part, click save, so it can look nice and natural. So now we need to go to delivery after we've saved, right? Delivery, we need the delivery address that's required. Delivery node is optional. You can add there knock 3 times for me to open a door or whatever the case might be. So now we add the delivery fee. So now we can say South Africa. South Africa, I'm gonna charge 100 rand. And then let's add another fee here for Johannesburg. I'm gonna charge 60 rand because I'm situated in Johannesburg, right? And click on save. So this is FAMSAC figures right here, guys. You need to find a courier company and ask them about the charges, courier guy or whatever you want to use. Ask them about the courier fees, and this is what you can this is what you're going to enter here. So don't just add 160. Make sure the company use that what they're charging. This is what you can add here, right? Okay, so then you can go to after purchase. Okay, so once you get to after purchase, you can just go ahead and say edit. So the redirect after payment. So basically what's going to happen after a client purchased your product. So you can use this to your advantage. You can actually, if you have say for instance, I have a Instagram account for my beard oil products, I can add that link here. So if someone, after they paid successfully, this link will take them directly to your page where they can like your products and your page, right? Very, very cool. So in this message here, the success message, you can just say thank you or whatever. You can add something really, really nice there, and you can obviously send notifications to your email. This is where you'll get your buy notifications from. Split payments, you don't have to worry about it. It's gonna go directly into your main Paystack account. So now I've saved it, and next up we copy our link, and then we are going to a new page, a new search page, and here we go. That's how easy it was, literally in half an hour, to get your product up and running on the internet, ready to buy. So I've got my main image here. I can scroll through the images. I can even watch this video right here of the guy applying some beard oil to his face. And this is what he's gonna look like right afterwards. So we can show more here, so we can see the description here. We can add as many as we want, and then say buy now. We can run through all of this here at the delivery address and continue until the client of yours get a pop-up to add its credit card details. And once it's done, you will get paid and he will get his beard oil. And once that's done, you can come back to your dashboard back to orders, and you'll see your first orders here and your money right in your Paystack account. And then you can obviously go ahead and go to payouts, and they will pay you directly to your bank account. And that's how easy it was, guys. It was super easy. It took not even 30 minutes from signing up to launching our first product. So I hope you make a ton of sales, lots of money. And if you really found this video interesting and helpful, all I'm asking in return is just to hit that subscribe button and like button, and also follow me for more. I would love it. Thank you, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.